Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with AI. Last week, they started hiring them back. I'm not surprised. They went too big, too fast. Most owners hear that and think AI customer service is broken. It's not. Klarna's deployment was broken. Here's the difference. My assumption is they tried to keep token usage and credit spend as minimal as possible, instead of focusing on customer satisfaction. The AI most likely wasn't able to reason. They capped it. Then one massive rollout. They tried to have AI completely replace customer service agents day one. That's not deployment. I built Penny for a paint and sip franchise. I started with a smaller scope, just the basics, class questions, bookings, few little things like that. Then I got progressively more complex. I didn't try to do it as cheap as possible. I found a nice medium with latency, and I was more conservative with maximizing reasoning. The AI was allowed to think. Every time something new came along, a new call, a new issue, I just went back and improved the prompt. Live, real customer voices, issues, problems, constant refinement. So here's how I would handle it if a business owner came to me wanting AI customer service. First thing I do is ask for the map. What are your representatives currently handling? Can you name every single thing somebody calls about? Can you at least name what 80% of your calls are about? You can't automate what you can't name. Klarna couldn't name it. They just threw AI at the whole job. AI customer service works. Klarna proved AI customer service deployed badly doesn't work. Departmentalize it. Start small. Let the AI think. Click the link below. Book a call with me, and I'll help you map out your customer service flow before you spend $1.